incremental option. Yeah, find dialog page. Check that one. Yeah.
Not found.
Climb, not climbs. Not that. Go to that page and take the page name, Maria.
Yeah.
Show menu.
Okay, go to the page and yes, so many. Where I need to go? Claim condition.
Claim condition. It's not there.
Not there. Firstly, I think service line list, then it will come. This page name you are asking to take. DLG resolve claim condition code list. Hello?
Yeah, this one only. Yeah.
Okay.
Go to that service.xml and search which is page. Remove that case sensitive option, Arya. Whenever you find, remove that case sensitive option.
Yeah.
So what is happening? Cancel. Also whole word. That one also please remove. First.
I need to go for load method or inside request action. I need to take this method save claim code conditional list.
So where it is going when you are clicking cancel button, Arya?
This
Save
one.
or load?
Save.
Save.
Yeah.
Second, பாப்பா கிட்ட கொடுத்துடாத இப்பதான் பாப்பாக்கு தொண்டை அடைச்சுது